Hello and welcome to another video of Learn with Vishram Dasala. Today we'll be learning about selection of blowdown system. So Om Namah Shivaya, let's do it. Petroleum industries process units are equipped with a collection unit called the blowdown system. It allows the safe disposal of liquid and vapor hydrocarbons that are vented in pressure relief valve drawn from the unit. This system can also be used to purge the unit in case of shutdowns. Blowdown material are partially liquid and partially vapor. So the liquid cut is either recycled into the refinery and sent to the wastewater treatment. The vapor cut is either recycled or discharged directly to the atmosphere or flared. When discharged directly to the atmosphere, emission consists principally in hydrocarbons. When flared, sulfur oxide are emitted. The emission rate of the blowdown system depends on the amount of equipment considered, the frequency of discharges, and the blowdown system controls. While the various systems for the disposal of voluntary or involuntary vapors or liquids are mentioned below, the actual selection of disposal system shall be conducted in accordance with the expected frequency, duration of operation, required capacity, and fluid properties. Blowdown system of vapor relief stream. Systems for the disposal of voluntary and involuntary vapor discharge are to atmosphere, to lower pressure process vessel or system, to close pressure relief system and flare, acid gas flare. Vapor discharge to atmosphere. Vapor relief stream shall be vented directly to atmosphere if all the following conditions are satisfied. For a complete discussion of the subject, see API RP 521. Such disposal is not in conflict with the present regulation concerning pollution and noise. The vapor is effectively non-toxic and non-corrosive. The vapor which is lighter than air or vapor of any molecular mass that is non-flammable, non-hazardous, and non-condensable. There is no risk of condensation of flammable or corrosive materials. There is no chance of simultaneously stimultaneous release of liquid apart from water. Relief of flammable hydrocarbons direct to the atmosphere should be restricted to case where it can be assured that they will be dilute with air to the below lower flammable limit. This should occur well before they can come in contact with any source of ignition. The above condition can most easily be met in the vapor to be released have a density less than that of air. However, with proper design of the relief vent, adequate dilution with air can be obtained in certain cases with higher density vapor. Methods of calculation are given in API RP 512 section 4.6 section or sector. I don't know about this. Expectations. Vapor from dispressuring valves shall be discharged to a closed pressure relief system. Vapor which contain 1% H2S or more by volume shall be discharged to the closed pressure relief. Okay, let's learn up here. Okay, so vapor discharge to lower pressure vessel or system. Individual safety relief valve may discharge to a lower pressure process system or vessel capable of handling the discharge. Although this type is rarely used, it is effective for discharge that contain material which must be recovered. Vapor discharge to closed vessel relief system and flare. Flaring is a safety measure used in petroleum industries to ensure that the gases are safely disposed of. A flare is a device that burns hydrocarbons emitted from emergency process vent or pressure relief valves. It is usually assumed that the flares have a combustion efficiency of at least 98%. The combustion reaction is CXHY plus X plus Y by 4. O2 is it becomes oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. Principally, carbon dioxide is emitted from a flare, but also organic compounds and carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxide and soot. It is actually impossible to estimate flare emission. However, several measures can be adopted to maximize this emission. Use of efficient flare tips and optimization of the size and number of burning nozzles. Maximization of flare combustion efficiency by controlling and optimizing flare fuel air steam ratio. Minimization of flaring from purge without compromising safety through measures such as purge gas reduction devices, flare gas recovery units, inert purge gas, installation of high integrity instrument pressure protection systems where appropriate to reduce overpressure events and avoid or reduce flaring situation. Now, minimization of liquid entertainment in the gas flare stream with a suitable liquid separation system. Implementation of burner maintenance and replacement program to ensure continuous maximum flare efficiency. In all the cases where the atmospheric discharge or release of vapor to a lower pressure system is not permissible or practicable, vapor shall be collected in a closed pressure relief system which terminates in a flare, namely a flare system where the concentration of H2S is such that condensation of acid gas is probable. Provision of a separate line heat rest shall be considered. In all cases, the installation of closed pressure relief system shall result in a minimum of air pollution and the release of combustion product. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video. Bye bye. Take care. Om Namah Shivaya.